to say.
That's right, Erica. Jeremy. These videos are providing lessons, this expert told me, for civilians as well as police. He says the officer could have done better, but there are steps civilians could take to avoid this kind of outcome.
I just felt like I was attacked.
I got my license and registration.
A traffic stop on May 15th in Aurora led to this arrest of Preston Nunn III. But James Allbee, a tactical expert and former law officer himself, says missteps happened before this altercation, starting with the Aurora officer's approach to Nunn.
Give me your license registration. I'm about to tow your vehicle.
It automatically put the driver on kind of the defensive mode.
Nunn didn't help what was already brewing up to be a hostile situation.
If my blinker on, then I put my blinker on though.
The driver didn't do much to quote-unquote de-escalate the situation either.
An ideal traffic stop involves an officer explaining to the driver why they were stopped and what they might be charged for.
There could have been some better questions and with the officer that would have led to not getting to that point.
One question the officer asked caught Allbee's attention.
You know why I stopped you, right?
You know why I'm pulling you over?
He says this is a tactic that can be very open-ended.
Some of that, to me, opens the conversation up unnecessarily to argument.
What happened to him, we want to never happen to not happen to anyone else again.
Activists came to Nunn's side on Friday with demands following the release of this body cam footage.
We want all 4 officers involved in the May 15th arrest fire. We want the Department of Justice to get involved.
As for Nunn, he says he wants personal closure from the emotional and physical effects of his arrest back in May.
I'm just looking for justice, that's all.
So what does a tactical expert say you can do to make a traffic stop easier on you and an officer? Allbee said he spoke from personal experience on both sides of the situation.
I roll down all the windows in the car, I turn on my dome light, and I leave my hands up on the steering wheel.
Valuable experience there. Coming up all new at 10. We'll hear from the Fraternal Order of Police, their thoughts on this arrest and what they have to say about APD Police Chief Vanessa Wilson. You don't want to miss that. Rogelio Mates, Fox 31.